What's the meaning of Anchoress? Anchoress. 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 Anchoress.
An anchoress is a woman who chooses to live a solitary, religious life in a small cell attached to a church. She would typically have limited social contact and devote herself entirely to prayer and contemplation, with the goal of achieving a deeper spiritual understanding of God. This lifestyle was popular in medieval Europe, particularly in England, and was seen as a way to live a life of piety and devotion. Today, few anchoresses remain, but their legacy endures and continues to inspire people seeking a contemplative, religious life.